Just imagine a pine tree standing outside, and the pine tree is asking what it can be in order to help the world. And the answer can come easily: be a healthy, beautiful pine tree. If a pine tree is vigorous, beautiful, healthy, and then every one of us will profit from it. And if a pine tree is less than a pine tree, not healthy enough, not beautiful enough, and then it will suffer, all of us. So the answer is that the most helpful thing for you to do is to be a happy human being. You should be solid, fresh, happy, and everything you do for yourself in order for you to remain solid, fresh, happy is helping all of us. So that is the problem to be, how to be healthy, how to be fresh, how to be beautiful. That is the answer. And then in the question there is the idea that if you have a profession, you have a job, because you need to make a living. So how can I choose a job in order to be more peaceful with myself and with the world, to be more helpful to myself and to the world. So this brings in the topic of right livelihood. You have to earn a living, but there are many kinds of jobs that can help you to express your joy, your compassion. So you decide to take up the kind of job that gives you a chance to be more compassionate, even if you earn less, and you are happier, even if you have to earn less. So if you are lucky, you can have a kind of job that can help you express your compassion, your love to all of us, human beings, animals, plants, and minerals. And if you do not have that kind of job, you might continue the job that you are having, and you have in mind that if the situation presents itself, that you can have a better job, a job that can help you express more of your compassion and joy, and then you are ready to take up that job, even if you have to earn less. To earn less, but to be happier, that is the suggestion. Okay?